So are you tired of DIYs yet? Well, don't get too tired because today the mothership's going to get a little lovin'. Yes, the mothership. That thing right there. And I'm going to take you guys along for the journey and not show you my frustration with the project. Enjoy! So, I ordered the headlights from Headlight Depot. Yeah, that's it. I ordered 2 headlights at Headlight Depot with tax, free shipping. The total was about $153. Kind of steep, but these are some big headlights, and I'm going to show you in a second here what they look like, because they're pretty good headlights. It's a pretty big headlight there, and so that's what my project's going to be today. I'm going to do 2 of them. I'm going to only show you maybe one, maybe a little glimpse of the first one. You can call that movie magic, trial and error type thing. Sorry, you can't see me. So, hey, come along and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to replace them. So there's the headlight again. Nice version of that. First of all, I'm going to start by taking out 4 bolts on this grill. I need some room. I need some headroom. And as you can see on these Newmars, they don't give you much headroom once the hood is open. So there's a nice big wide angle. There you go. The grill is that bolt and that bolt on this side and the other side. Okay, so I lied. This had a bolt, and then down here is one of those square head things I gotta remove. Looks like someone had this out before, so I'm gonna get that out of there and we'll continue. All right, we got that out of the way. That opens up this whole area, gives me a little bit more room. Right back there is the first bolt. That extension there, it's a pain in the ass because the fiberglass on the other one broke. And then down here, there is a self-tapper, and then there's one more bolt on the other side. I don't think you could see it very well. Or a nut that goes over a bolt over here. Yeah, that's not it. It's over there anyway, so I got to get that as well. So I'm going to work on getting this out, but first let me show you what the new headlight looks like, and it came in packed in. Here's the headlight. And this actually fits a Lexus as well, 2001 to 03 Lexus. It says here. I don't know how legit that is, but this is an 05 Newmar. So let's get to, it comes with all new bulbs. Let me show you that. It's right here. Nice and new. There's the self-tapper there. And they have the extension on that one there. And here's one that goes into the hole. So I'm gonna see what I can do. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a towel here, drape this down, unplug each lamp, and plug it into the new lamp so it don't scratch the body, which you see some scratches there. So someone, it's seen it at its day. What I've done is pushed it in first, and then I could slide it out this way and then scrape it down the side while I'm grabbing my new light, which is over here. This thing here is a strip you got to put on the new light as well. The new light does not come with that. So I'll be taking that off and putting that on the new one as well. Peel that off, attach this, and then screw it in. Pretty simple. Get that done before I get the new lights into it. Okay, since I only have 2 pair of hands, these are pretty simple. You just twist them out, or you just pop these out with these clips, and then you pop them into the new bulb that's in the light itself. So you don't have to take these old bulbs out unless you want to save them. I'm not going to save them. I'm just going to take them out, take the clips off from them, pop the clips into the new headlamps, and I'm not going to show you that because it's too complicated. Okay, after some manhandling, there's the light. Grille's back in, and there's the driver's light. A little cobbling. Like I said, I put an L bracket in where this extension was, and I kept the old extension because the fiberglass had broken. And I'd show you, but I'm kind of tired, so I'm going to end it up right here.